What's going on, YouTube? It's Andre here. It's been a while. It's been so long I haven't shot a video. But today I'm going to be talking about Legendary Marketer. You will fail Legendary Marketer if you don't apply these steps and if you don't do these things. Because I see a lot of people been coming in, and most people don't realize that you got to put some work in. You have to do the work. So it's not like you're going to sign up and just expect that you're going to see commissions start rolling in. Now I'm going to show you in the Facebook group that there are tons of people making money. Why? Because they're taking necessary actions. Now, if what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you some tips. And if you don't do this, you will fail a Legendary Marketer. You will fail at affiliate marketing over and over again. So what I'm going to be sharing with you, tip number one. Before you sign up, you have to go through the training. You have to get in touch with your coach. The coach is going to guide you through. Now, most people, as soon as they sign up, they want things to happen now. They want to go through the training. They want to do all these things. These are designed to help you. And I know we all sign up and we all want instant gratification. We all want this. We all want that, like right now. And what I think is happening is the dopamine inside your brain that triggers off, that tells you, hey, you need to do this right away. It's just like the cell phone. People don't want to wait anymore. If you send a text to someone, they expect that you need to reply to them right away. Like, they don't know if you're in the bathroom doing your business. They don't even know if you're out. They don't even know if you're with your kids or with your kid or whatever it is, or with your family. They don't even know if your phone is shut off, right? As soon as they send it, they got, oh, I've been texting you all morning, this, and that. It's the same thing applied to online business. Everything in life takes time. It's just a known fact, guys. Everything that you do in life is time. So you're probably seeing all these people on YouTube videos, people on Facebook with all these Lamborghinis, all these Ferraris. Let me tell you, check yourself. This shit is hard. It's not easy. So I want you guys to know that you got to put some work in it. You have to put some skin in it. And when I talk the truth, a lot of people don't like it. And that's how I am. I just tell the truth. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. So if you don't like it, too bad. Go somewhere else where they're going to be like, well, you need to drive traffic to your landing page and you're going to get a ton of sales. No, I'm going to let you know that it's going to be hard work. So how are you going to do it? First of all, before you go out there and start spending money on all these paid traffic, try to get some free traffic. Most people, as soon as they come in, oh, I want to go buy some leads. I want to go buy some sales. Why you want to go start spending money right away when you haven't learned or mastered your craft? You haven't been through the training. There's going to be a ton of trainings in the back office that you can go through them. Even though there is training back there, hey, Google is your best friend. Google something. Go watch some other YouTube videos. Go learn something. Go follow somebody on Facebook. Go follow somebody on Instagram. See what they're doing, model them, and try to build your style. This whole thing about fake it till you make it is not going to work, guys. I'm going to let you know that right now. Be real, be genuine. So you have to, first of all, slowly build your brand. That's the first thing you have to do. It's not going to happen overnight. Build engagement, build rapport, build you. Take your time. This is not a race. Don't skip and be concentrated about the money and miss on the knowledge here, because you can use the knowledge that you learn inside the system and open up your own agency. Maybe you learn something and you fall in love with Facebook. People are going to be coming to you. What if you're a person who does a lot of Facebook Live? People will come to you and be like, hey, like an agency will be like, hey, I've seen this guy, this girl, they do a lot of Facebook Live. Let me hire them. People will pay you, just like Instagram. If you're good at one thing, people is going to recognize you and they will start to do things. So if you don't do these things, you will fail inside of Legendary, inside of affiliate marketing. It's just a known fact. I'm just telling you the truth. Now, if you remain consistent over and over again, you're going to start to see results. You're going to see results start coming up. Once you start building a relationship, results will come. Now, I'm going to show you what's possible, right? A couple friends of mine, known them for like almost a year. Depends on when you're watching this. Probably going to be 2 years from now, so it will be 3 years, right? So I've known these people, and they just joined the program. legendary marketer. Now, do keep in mind that these guys been marketing for a while. They just didn't just show up and pop up. They've been in the game and they decided like, wow, we're actually doing something good in legendary. That's why so many people are starting to coming in. Why? Because we're a family. We try to help each other. We try to, lean in with shoulders and tell people, hey, it's fine. This is what it is. We can help you. So inside of a community, you'll see a ton of people making money. Now I'm going to show you a couple, which is called the Free Spirit Duo. Now look at this. Holy macaroni. See, David Sharp gave him a shout out. Congratulations to Michael and Paulina for upgrading to the legendary. Excuse me, for earning 18,000 in commissions. Look at this, $18,000. Now, what would that do for you? No, I'm not gonna say you're gonna come in and just like blow through 18. These people have been doing this a while. It took them a lot of time. They put in a lot of work. They put in a lot of work. So if I see this, I love it. I got to congratulate them because guess what? This is freaking awesome, right? So I got to congratulate them. This is good. Now, you're going to see, I'm going to show you here that they're not the only one, right? Because there's other people in here making moves. There's other people in here making commission. And if you're brand new, by the way, make sure you watch video number 1 as soon as you get accepted to the group. So there they are. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to show you some more people that are actually like this guy upgraded to the lifestyle member. His name is Josh. He's killing it. Man, this guy right here, Killer B. Shout out to Jay, man. He's a killer. You know, there's people in here making commission. Tons of people in here making commissions. So again, if this is something that you want to do, I'm going to leave my email. No, I'm not going to leave my email. I'm going to leave my phone number. Please send me a text. If you're not serious about joining, and if you're not serious about your business, do not text me. I'm going to tell you from now. Don't waste my time. Don't waste your time. So if this is something that you want to do and you're serious, I'm going to leave my number. Also going to leave my link where you can watch the video. You can sign up. It's $30 membership. Sign up. And if you're a member already, I have a free private Facebook group. Reach out to me on Facebook. You can go in there. You can learn all the things. This is only if you're a member. There's going to be 2 questions. You answer them. Tell me what you're doing, what you're promoting. Even if you're not a part of Legendary, you're brand new to affiliate marketing, it's okay. There's resources in my group that will help you. All right? So I'm trying to help as many people. That's what it is. People help people. That's what it's a people helping business. So I'm not here for myself. Most people out here making money ain't doing that for you guys. I'm doing this for you. So my free group, shoot me a message or add me on Facebook. I'm going to leave my Facebook down there as well. You can be a part of this. Feel free to join. Now, if you're a member of me, if you join through my affiliate link, of course, I'm going to give you extra training. That's how it is. It's just normal. It's affiliate marketing, and you know what affiliate marketing is. So whatever you choose to do, thanks, guys. Like, subscribe, share this to people that will help them. Again, you will fail if you don't apply what I have to tell you in this video. Consistency, think about it, work towards your goal, and keep crushing it. Andre from Jamaica. Yaman.